Hello guys, ngayong araw na to Friday, ayan, at bumili ako ng, ito lang yung mga binili ko ngayon guys. Hello guys, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Saan man sulukay nga sa mundo, welcome to my vlog or welcome to my channel. Ayan guys, for today's video, panibagong araw ng Sabado. Mamamalingki na naman tayo. Ayan, ito na naman ako sa market at ayan, nag-iikot na naman dahil araw ng pamamalingki. So, samahan niyo ko guys sa aking journey sa pamamalingki palagi. Oy, maraming salamat nga pala sa inyo guys ha. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama sa aking market day, always market day journey. Thank you guys, thank you. Hindi ko alam kung anong bibilhin. Papili mo ako. Murahin lang. Pang-araw-araw na ano. The jacket. Siguro umuwi na yung asawa ko. Wala na.
في البدوية اما تفكر منهم شهرين له شهرين ليه عصبة اعلى منهم لا
Oh, I go there. Huh? I just go there, just check something, and then I go. You know. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron ngayon guys at may paghahanda. Ayan o. Ang daming flag. Hindi ko alam kung anong celebrations meron sila dito. Maraming flag o. Flag everywhere. Daming tao dito. Wait. Nanghingi ng donasyon yung taga-simbahan kaninang umaga bago ako lumabas ng nag-doorbell sa bahay, nagbahay-bahay sila at nanghingi nga sila ng donasyon. Tagal naman. Ayan. Enjoy the moment.
Few moments later.
Ito guys, ayan, pagdating ko galing palengke, ito, inantay talaga niya ako kasi para may makatulong, makahawak man lang sa wheelchair. Ayan, at pinaglilinisan niya dahil medyo marami ng buhok na nakapulupot sa gulong. Kaya ayan, nililinisan, tinatanggal. Kailangan tanggalin para matanggal yung buhok na nakapulupot. Kasi kapag maraming buhok na nakapulupot, guys, mahirap kasi siyang gugulong. Mahirap siyang gumulong. Kaya yan. Kailangan linisan. Itong maliit na gulong at saka yung malaki. Yan.
The next day.
Hello guys, ayan, panibagong araw sa pamamalengke today. Ngayong araw na to is Friday. Ayan, sa nakikita nyo guys, nandito na naman ako sa market, sa Paula Public Market para mamimili. Babayad na tayo. Ngayon is November 23, araw ng Friday 2024.
Thank you, Albi. Jina kon nar ta' tlita għat inkun Santa Valdiska. Kon nar ta' tlita. Thank you, babe. What? Thank you, Albi tijaj. Bye bye, hi. 160. Għandi l-lanġas, min iħobb bil-lanġas.
This one.
Mela, 550 a kilo. Mela, you have 1250 all.
12.50.
Yes.
And this one.
140.
Oh.
Take it.
And this one.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
That's all?
With the one bag of apple.
Yes. I was watching the TV, and when I saw you on the TV how much I laughed, and the question it was like this, too. And you respond, amen.
I have no idea what he's telling me.
What he's telling you?
Yeah.
You know what he asked you?
I confused if what I'm gonna to answer.
That was Maltese
Yes.
journalist. He asked you.
I'm a this journalist.
What size do you like it? Small or big?
Yes, but I referred myself.
Mela plus 350.
With 2 garlic, huh?
And the garlic I forgot to do them. Mela 260 as well. Mela 530, 5 and 2. Mela check it. 25.30.
All?
If you don't understand something, tell me.
So the grapes,
The grapes 12.
12.
You have
And
a
the
bag?
banana,
Banana? Anna, let me tell you. Bismillah. Anna, 12.50 the grapes, 3.90 the banana, and 2.80 the something else. What it was?
this one.
Yes, of course, madam.
And
Then I put 19.25 up here. 3.50 the apples, the bag. That was come to 22.75 and 2.60 the garlic because I forgot to put them. 25.30.
okay.
7. 8, 9, 10. 10 euro, thank you. Thank you.
Ayan muna tayo.
Hala, kung nartatlita atin ko Santa Bautista yun. Awara. Yes, kung nartatlita yun ko.
May eyeglass all the time running
Mister,
down.
kif jatem, ġibli dik il-flus, ġibli law, jek josbok dejjem.
Oh, Irene.
Grazzi, taħija. Grazzi. 25 euro and 25. All right. The 30 I didn't say them, all right?
Tuwad na. Yan lang yung ano nila. Gagawa daw ako ng apple pie. So, bibili ako ng tingin tayo dito sa bag. Ayan. Mga bag. Kaya lang mahal ata ito. Ay, naku. Sorry. mahal. Mahal yung bag niya. Ngayong araw na to guys is Friday. Oh. Bili tayo ng ano, kaya lang kailangan ko ng carton kasi naiwan na naman yung ano ko. Hanap tayo ng carton. Lang. Mahal lang nabayaran ko ngayon ah. Hindi ko alam. Bili tayo ng itlog. You have.
وذاك الوقت يبرفتها وهم كل حياة.
Bili tayo ng itlog, lagay sa container kasi naiwan yung container ko. So, bibili tayo ng isang tray. Nagulat ako sa binabayaran ko ngayon guys. Prutas. Mahigit 20. Sige lang. Wala tayong magagawa. Ano. Mahal na kasi ngayon. Yan ito. 6 ang isang tray. How much the blue crab? How much the blue crab? Ah, the blue crab. 8? Why? What you buying?
Yeah, cheese,
What?
some beans, buy me a bread here.
What bread?
The same, no, this.
For tomorrow.
For tomorrow, no, for today the bread, the Maltese bread. And for tomorrow, panini.
Eh? They're close here. They are close there.
Where? The bread?
The shop there, close. Ah. Not yet. There you are. Ano bang gagawin ko? Ayan guys, nandito muna tayo sa labas. At tatawid. Nakatawid na sila. Oh, diretso. Punta kaya ako doon sa ano? Saglit. Doon na lang tayo sa kabila, guys. May ano na. Mabigat yung mukha ng babae. Parang ano, 2 kilo ang mukha. May problema ata. Ready na yung for Christmas. Ayan, may palamuti na. Ready na. Ayan, may bagong ano, may bagong design ngayong taon na to. Oh. Kahit dito, meron na rin, oh, palamuti. Mamayang gabi, lalabas tayo at titingnan natin yung ano, bagong palamuti yung taon na to. Mga decoration nila sa labas. Ready na.
Later.
Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa post office para magbayad ng aming bill, electric bill at water bill. Yan. Pagkatapos po mamalingki, munti ko na makalimutan, dumiretso na ako doon. Ngayon, pasok tayo dito at magbabayad tayo ng bill. Ayan guys, antay muna tayo dahil inuuna pa yung isa na nasa likuran. Inuuna niya. Hindi niya inantay na pumila. So, mayroon talagang ganun pa. Antayin natin baka kailangan din. Kaya babayad lang tayo ng bill natin ngayon. Kasi ilang araw akong hindi lumabas at ngayon hindi sana ako lalabas kaso naalala ko Friday pala ma-market tapos magbabayad din ng bill. Yan. At hanggang dito na lang dahil save later guys dahil may music makapiright. Maraming tao ngayon guys at mabuti na lang at naalala kong magbayad ng bill namin. Ang tagal pa kasi inuna pa yung isang lalaki tapos meron pa siyang tinawagan na ano. Ang tagal matapos yung ano bayaran, kaya lang sige lang kasi yan yung pagsubok sa atin sa buhay guys, na kailangan natin matuto tayong mahaba ang pasensya natin. Kasi kung hindi natin habaan ang pasensya natin, wala. Susubukan kasi tayo niyan. Kaya matuto tayong dito tayo tawid. Matuto tayong ano, pahabaan ng pasensya. Tumawid na ako dito. Ganun talaga ano, sa buhay natin, ganun talaga minsan, nauuna tayo, minsan nahuhuli, minsan nasa kalagitnaan, ganyan. Kaya, mahirap naman na mahirap na makipagsabayan, mahirap din makipag-unahan, mag-aantay tayo kung kailan ang oras natin. Yan. Kaya, bago magtapos ngayong taon na to, guys, kailangan think positive lang tayo kasi ganun talaga eh. Kailangan matuto tayo sa buhay ngayon at isensya na kayo guys, maingay sasakyan. Kasi medyo basta guys, kailangan natin marunong, kailangan nating matutong umintindi sa paligid. Kahit sabihin mo nalamangan ka na, pagpasa Diyos mo na lang. Kasi kahit sabihin mo kasi meron talagang taong ganyan guys na mahilig man lamang. Yung tuwang-tuwa sila kapag nakikita ang isang tao na nakadapa na, tatawanan nila, hindi nila tutulungan. Tapos maririnig mo pa yung word na merese, yung ganon. Hirap nun May tao talagang ganon. Pasok muna tayo. Akong kilay, wala na. ikot muna tayo saglit at may titingin lang. Tingnan nyo sila guys. Kasi laki ko sila pero ang sexy nila, no? May music pala guys. How much the no, there is the price. Okay. Ayan. Bawal kasi mag-parking guys, kaya ayan. Pag bawal mag-parking, talaga guys, kapag bawal mag-parking, may ticket. Guys, bumili ako ng banana ni Michael. Frozen banana o banana leaves. Hello, good morning. Alright. I'm alright today because I'm out. How many days that I don't like to go out? Now I need. No. But I feel like heavy in my body. But the other day, I feel not good. That's why. So, yeah, I was trying to force myself not to eat, especially at night. But forgetness attack. It's not good to me when I wear like this. When I wear like this, it's not, I don't know. I like the color, huh?
I don't wear it, but I want other people I like it. No, I don't wear it.
It's nice, this one. But the problem, the neck. Yeah. The neck. Somebody holding my neck all the time. My hands. I was holding the crab in the market. Smell mud. I don't know.
I have to think about it. Because everyone comes to me.
While I grow up, I used to cook everything that I was thinking to cook because my mother and my stepfather always fighting because my stepfather don't want even to cook. When he arrived, just sit down, eat, and then when my mother go home late, he's really angry because he never cooked. He fight to my mother, so while I grow up, I do like that so that no one. But it's hard. It's hard to handle when you are young that your family always like that. So me, I become matured because of the situation. So that's I do. And thanks God they eat. But the problem while eating, when you burn a bit, well, you're burning this one, you're this one, to have a stepfather like him, pero it's not easy. But I become strong. Died when I was a baby. I seen only the face of my elder sister. And because my natural father, my real father, short. They are short, like you. And I become little taller. But when my daughter tell me, Ma, why you're short? I said, oh, I'm really short.
I don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy with my idol.
And sometimes she's telling me, why you are short? I said,
The doctor doesn't make you long when he gets you out. We say
Fit.
like this in Maltese.
eh,
Because the doctor doesn't stress you
eh.
when you are coming down.
Give when the baby born, they feed directly the yes.
No, but my children are not tall, but my husband is not tall, a little bit tall, a normal length. But my children, I have one 11, is like me, tall.
At the age of 11, so he's tall.
11, it's my legs.
So he's tall.
Yes, and I have one going to 16. He's very tall.
Oh.
I arrived his chest,
They become taller.
but their grandfather was very tall.
So the
But
grandfather.
they don't like him.
Maybe when the grandchildren.
Because my dad, the big one, told me, I don't want to go tall anymore. I want to change.
All of them taller than me. All of them taller than me. I like that brown. The problem, the neck. I was trying to I feel like yes, I'm not big, but for us, really big. I cannot. Not I cannot. I don't make exercise. That's why I need to force myself to go out in the morning. Because I always sitting down in the YouTube. Sometimes, yes, sometimes I remember not to eat. Sometimes I forget that I was planning not to eat, but I ate. Hello guys, ngayong araw na to Friday, ayan, at bumili ako ng, ito lang yung mga binili ko ngayon guys. Binili ko na yung tatlong, naka-frozen na banana leaves, ayan, doon kay Michael. Ayan, 4 euros, kumbaga 4 euros lang ang isa guys, so, binili ko na lahat. Ayan, ito, tapos, bumili ako ng ubi yam, ayan yung ubi. Ano ito guys, mahigit 1 kilo. So, binayaran ko nito 11 euros something. Ayan, tapos ito itlog ayan, yung itlog isang tray, tapos bumili ako ng Diyos ko, ang mahal ng bili ko ngayon guys dito sa yung grapes ba? Isang kilo na pala itong kada balot, 1 kilo mahigit na, so binayaran ko nito 550 kasi something guys, so binayaran ko ngayon 12 something. Tapos bumili ako ng ito, so arrange muna natin ha bago ayan, tomatoes, hindi yan mawawala, yung kamatis na yan, tapos banana, arrange ko muna bago ako umuwi. At hindi ko kinalimutan hindi ko alam kung magkano itong banana guys, 11 something. So, tapos, sabi nung asawa ko, gagawa daw ako ng apple pie. So, bumili ako ngayon ng apples, yung mumurahin lang, 350. Hindi pala, masarap ito guys, pag ganitong maliliit na masarap, matigas, maliit. Masarap siya kasi crunchy siya. Yan, para pang apple pie yan. Kaya at bumili ako ng 2 garlic, tag 150 ang isa. So, yan lang yung binili ko ngayong araw na to. At, ayan, i-arrange natin para hindi na sila magkagulo. Hindi naman talaga ako marunong mag-arrange guys. Kaya lang kailangan para so ayan, malalaglag pa, hindi kasi nakabalot. Tapos ito patong natin dito, dahan-dahan lang, ayan, merong tapos itong ube, at gagawin kong ube halaya, 1 kilo. Tapos, ayan yung saging nga, Ipo-frozen ko ito pagdating sa bahay para hindi siya masisira guys, kailangan naka-frozen. So, ito lang yung binili ko ngayong araw na to guys. Araw ng Friday. Yan lang. Kalapati. Nilalamig. Mag-aalas 12 na, kaya kumalimbang na yung
Mega love shout out sa mga bagong kaibigan, at yung lalo lang sa dating kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.